How to add your birthday on Telegram. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add your birthday on Telegram. Adding birthday on Telegram is a great way to let your friends know when your special day rolls around, or you can keep it private if you prefer. So to add your birthday on Telegram, first open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Look for the bio, then tap on it. Here you'll find the option for birthday. In the last section labeled Date of Birth, tap on Add to open the birthday calendar. Here you can use the arrows to select your day, month, and year of birth. Once you're done, simply tap Save at the bottom. You can also control who can see your birthday information. Right below where you added your birthday, you'll see a setting that says, "Only your contacts can see your birthday." Tap Change next to it. By default, it's set to My Contacts. This means only the people you have saved in your phone book will be able to see your birthday. You can adjust this setting. Here are your options. Everybody. This makes your birthday visible to all Telegram users. My Contacts. This keeps it visible only to your saved contacts. Nobody. This hides your birthday from everyone. Choose the option that works best for you and hit Save button in the top right corner. Now you know how to add your birthday on Telegram and control who gets to see it. Remember, you can always go back and change this setting later if you want. And this is how to add your birthday on Telegram. I hope this short video tutorial helps you. If you have any questions about adding your birthday on Telegram, leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.